Hi there, I'm Dan. This is my YouTube channel. You should all follow this. But anyway, so this is the first instalment of my wonderful range of science videos which I'm going to be doing over the course of the year. This one worked really well the first time I did it, which means it's probably not going to work so well now, but we'll find out anyway. That wasn't an experiment, that was just because I only just realised I've forgotten to take it all apart from the last experiment. Ignore the blue cup, the cup's not supposed to be blue. So, firstly, what you're going to need is about half a cup of water. Preferably not boiling water, considering the water doesn't actually need to be boiling, and that would just be stupid and unnecessary. You need some red food colouring, but I don't have any red food colouring, so I'm using blue instead. You also need a plate and a candle. Preferably quite a small candle, because it's got to fit inside a glass, as you saw if you were watching the first part of this video. Anyway, you also need some matches, obviously, to light the candle with. The candle's not there for aesthetics. So, what happens in this demonstration / experiment is basically that I light the match and then the candle lights, obviously. I wouldn't just light a match. That's a stupid experiment. What are you talking about? Anyway, so you light the candle and then you place the glass over the top, and the candle is obviously burning the oxygen inside the glass because there's oxygen all around us, otherwise we wouldn't be able to breathe and we'd all die. But anyway, so the candle is recording. I'm not recording? No, yes, you're recording. I'm not recording. What am I doing? Anyway, the candle is burning all of the oxygen inside the glass, which is creating a vacuum very slowly inside the glass. Said vacuum, with the glass being put in the water, creates a perfect seal in which the water is drawn up from the outside into the glass, which is really cool, and that's pretty much the point of this experiment, so make sure you watch that. It's not just a side effect, it's pretty much what's actually happening. So, that's a good start. There we go. Come on. Now, as you can see, the wick is on fire, which is what candles are supposed to do, so that's a good start. So, when we place this over the top, you should start to see the blue liquid being drawn up into the glass. Let's go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Wow. And as you can see, there's quite a lot of blue liquid that's just being sucked into the glass, which is exactly what we wanted to happen. And now you can see there's at least ½ an inch of water inside the glass. Now the flames have been extinguished. Now the flames have been extinguished, of course, there's going to be quite a lot of carbon dioxide inside there, which is probably going to make me choke when I open it. So I'm not going to open it quite yet. I'll do that once I've pressed stop recording on this wonderful thing here. So that was the first instalment of my series of science videos on YouTube for this week, fortnight, month. I don't know. I don't know whether I'm going to do another one or not. I'm probably going to do another one considering it's an assessment piece. Anyway. Goodbye.